You ready? It's good morning, YouTubers. I'm gonna do some French fried chicken. You can see the chicken. Look at it. I just marinate it, put it to soak. Look at it. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. You can see. I do it from morning. I do it. So I'm making some coleslaw. You can see the coleslaw. Or I make my coleslaw. Sweet, nice vegetable. Right? This is it. I'm gonna do it this morning. So what I want you to do, like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, this is the way Aunty Clair do her thing. More French fried chicken and vegetable coleslaw. Nice coleslaw. I just done cut up my cabbage, fresh cabbage, carrot, and everything. So this is the way I do it. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend to comment down below, right? Please and thanks. Tell a friend. This is the way I do my thing. So just like it. When I fry up again, you will see some more. But this is the way I put it to soak and let everything for the supper. My kids and supper. Right? So just like, share, and comment. Comment down below. Right? Please and thanks. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay. Right? So